Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Simmons-Machota, and if this is your first time using Everfi, I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you're in Google Classroom, you're coming to this finished early for December page. You can come down here and click on the Everfi link. It's going to open up in a new window. You're going to click register because you're signing up for the first time. If you already have an account, you do not need to do these steps. Click on the register button. You're going to pull the class code, which is right here. So you're going to highlight that. You're going to hit Control C, back here, and Control V to paste. Hit Next. It's going to ask you if you're a student learner to put your birthday in here. My birthday is March 19th, and I'm super old. They're probably thinking, why is she still in school? You do not need to put an email in, your username, and you're going to use your Google password that you have. You're going to agree to those terms and you're going to hit Next. And here's your module. That's how easy it is. If you have any questions about logging in, please let us know.